Friends, how are you? Very good. In this video, this is part number 46. Today we have to discuss about the straight line. I'm going to remember means, as you know, in class 10, one chapter is there, which is straight line. Clear? Straight line means that times we have studied so many things, but here once more we have to study, and those are not studied in class 10. The remaining things I have to study. We have to study here. Then, first of all, if angle theta, angle means theta is given, therefore slope m is equal to tan theta. Second, if ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, that is here y is equal to mx plus c form, where m is equal to slope. Here if two points A means x1, y1, and B means x2, y2 are given. Therefore, slope, we have to find the slope. Clear? M is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Then, how we can find the slope? This is very important here. And if only angle means inclination, theta is given, slope m is equal to tan theta. If any linear equation, two variable, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, first of all this equation we have to change into y is equal to mx plus c. Y is the dependent variable, x is the independent variable. Means from this equation we have to subtract the y. Y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope. And if two points A, x1, y1, and B, x2, y2 are given, then slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. It is clear? Next, equation of line y minus y1 is equal to m, x minus x1. Where what is m? M is a slope. When two points are given, with the help of point we can find the slope m. If linear equation of two variable ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is given, then y is equal to mx plus c. With the help of this equation we can find the slope. If inclination means theta is given, then we can find the slope m is equal to tan theta. After that we can put here. Fifth one, if one line is parallel to other line. Clear? One line means, suppose like this, first line is parallel to second line. Then slope of first line means m1 is equal to m2. 6. If one line is perpendicular to the other line, therefore m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Understood? This is very important formula. Now what we have to study now? Angle between two lines. Understood? If a1x b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and here a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, from this one y is equal to m1x plus e1, and from this equation y is equal to m2x plus c2. Means if we have two equation of line, how we can find angle between two lines? Angle between two lines means what? Let theta is the angle between lines. Theta is angle between the lines. Therefore, tan theta is equal to plus minus m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 and m2. Theta is equal to what? m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. There is plus and minus. Then we can write tan theta is equal to mod of m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1. So these are very important formula. These are the old formula which is we have studied already in class 10th, and now this is a new formula. If two equation of line a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, then y is equal to m1x plus c1 from first equation and y is equal to m2x plus c2 from second equation. Let theta is the angle between two lines. The lines are tan theta is equal to plus minus means mod of m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. When we take a positive sign and second time when we take a negative sign. We already have completed mod about the quadratic equation. If mod of x is there, x is positive when function is more than 0. It is negative when function is less than 0. Then tan theta is equal to mod of m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. This is an important formula. Understood? I am going to tell example. The line joining minus 5 comma 7 and 0 minus 1 is perpendicular to the line joining. Find the value of x. Clear? First of all, what? Slope of minus 5, 7 and 0 minus 2. That is m1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, x1, y1, x2, y2. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus means this, and minus 9 upon 5. And slope of 1 minus 3 and 4 comma s. Then m2 is equal to x1 y1 x2 y2 x plus 3 upon 4 minus 1 x plus 3 upon 3. Here perpendicular to the line means one line is perpendicular to another line. We have condition. The slope of first line means according to the condition, if lines are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, what? m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. m1 means 9 by 5 x plus 3 upon 3 is equal to minus 3 upon 5 into x plus 3 is equal to 1. Now 3 into x, 3x plus 9 is equal to 5. 3x is equal to 5 minus 9. 3x is equal to what? Minus 4. X is equal to minus 4 by 3. Understood? It is very simple. Why? Because it is given in class 10. In class 10, so many question based on this formula already we have completed. And if the lines are perpendicular to each other, slope of first line into slope of second line is equal to minus 1. First of us find the slope of joining first and second line. After that, this and this line, and put in this condition and find the value of x is equal to minus 4 by 3. Now here find y if the slope of the line joining this is 3. Slope m is equal to what? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Slope is 3 by 4 is equal to x1 y1 x2 y2. y2 means y minus 11 upon and 2 plus 8. 3 by 4 is equal to y minus 10. Now 2 2s are 2 5s are 5 into 3 15 and 2 y minus 11. 15 is equal to 2y minus 22 and 2y is equal to what? 2y is equal to 15 plus 22 5 6 7 and 30. Y is equal to 37 upon. Any doubt? No? Good. Find the y if the slope of the line joining this and this is 3 by 4. Here 3 by 4 is the slope of joining this line. First up find the slope of this and this line. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. We will put here and find the value of y. Clear? Now in this question, 3 points are collinear by using slope. We have to prove that, or we can check. We have to check all the 3 points are collinear, not collinear. Then slope of 5 minus 2 and 7 6 means suppose m1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. 8 by what? 2 is equal to 4. And slope of what? 7 comma 6 and 0 minus 2. Then m2 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 minus 8 by minus 7, 8 by 7. If the m1 is equal to m2, then we can say that slope points are collinear. What we can say? Points are collinear. Otherwise, points are not collinear. Understood? If the slope are equal, here slope is not equal to if this, but here m1 is not equal to m2. Therefore, 3 points are not collinear. Any doubt? No? Very good. Now, next question here. Equation of a line which has the y-intercept equal to 4 by c. We know that y is equal to mx plus c. C is the y-intercept. It means y is equal to mx plus 4 by 3. But m is not given. Now we have to find the m, that is slope, and equal to 4 by 3, and slope is the perpendicular, and here suppose slope is perpendicular to this line. 3x minus 4y 11 0 is equal to 3x plus 11, y is equal to 3x by 4, 11 by 4. Y is equal to 3 by 4x plus 11 by 4. Y is equal to mx plus c. M is equal to 3 by 4. Since perpendicular the line, since here perpendicular, therefore slope is equal to what? Minus 4 by 3. Now equation of line y is equal to m means 4 by 3x and here 4 by 3. Then 3y is equal to minus 4x plus 4 and 4x plus 3y is equal to 4. Clear? Now this is answer. Understood? Now this is homework question. Homework question is very important. At the last of every video, I had given homework question and also I am giving find the equation to the line which is perpendicular to the line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 at the point where it is meet the x-axis. This is first question. Second is find the equation of the line joining the origin to the point of intersection of 4x plus 3y is equal to 8 and x plus y is equal to 1. Now question number 3 here. Find the equation to the straight line which passes through the point of intersection of the lines 3x plus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0 and 5x plus 8y minus 3 is equal to 0 and is perpendicular to the line 4x minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. So please, I request you please, you will complete your homework question and whatever extra problems you have, you can ask in live class, and live class already started here. Then how many video are completed, please you can complete, and with the help of video, with the help of live classes, please you will complete your doubts and problems. Thank you very much.